pure argan oil, when mixed with this cosmic glitter, attracts the light. Dispense Zahara argan oil on your skin and then start massaging gently. I really love how it feels. I also apply oil to my lips. Makes them feel so soft and look naturally healthy. Now apply this cosmic glitter on your upper cheek to enhance their shape and define your features. I really love this natural, very sophisticated effect. Now let me show you how to bring the fascinating power of your eyes using light and shadow. Using this black colored pencil, a Moroccan-inspired semi-smoky eye. When you apply black pencil into your eyes, it is like framing a painting. It adds definition and it brings out intensity. Trace it along your lash line to make your eyes look more uplifted. This look will make your eyes look edgy, bold, but not overdone. Just enough to make your eyes stand out. Wow, the color already gives my eyes a beautiful almond shape. I really love it. Now smudge it with a dark brilliant shade for an edgy and fun vibe. Now you can use the cosmic glitter as a top coat on top of your eyes using your finger or a makeup brush. Luminescence to your eyes, we're going to use Zahara Eye Bella Eye Serum. Go into the grain of rice in each eye is enough. And gently apply Zahara Eye Bella Eye Serum underneath of your eyes. Leave this ingredient in this Eye Bella Eye Serum leaves your delicate eye area toned and smooth. To finish the look. This look is super easy and very chic. I hope you give it a try.
Love me too, I want you to.